As an MBA graduate, you're in the top 6% of the population in terms of education. You've had no life for the past 2 years, and you've put in the hard work, missed weekends, late nights, and blood, sweat, and tears required to earn your MBA. Now it's time to capitalise on that. With almost 800 million users worldwide and over 2 million users in Hong Kong, LinkedIn has taken ownership of the personal branding and thought leadership space and offers you an effective way to promote yourself to your target market as an industry expert. My name is Steve Bruce, and I'm a Hong Kong-based independent LinkedIn trainer. I help senior executives, business owners, and corporate teams to present themselves powerfully on LinkedIn. On my LinkedIn for MBAs workshop, you'll learn how to upgrade your LinkedIn profile effectively, how to create a compelling, succinct personal headline and a clear career summary statement, how to quickly build and grow your business network and source recommendations from happy clients, how to present yourself to your target market as an industry expert and thought leader, and how to quickly identify target clients and source new business using the power of social selling. Please contact me to learn more at stevebruce@sbconsulting.com.hk. I'm looking forward to helping you soon.